Dobar dan, prijatelji. Did you know that there is a way to support the Let's Learn Croatian podcast and YouTube channel and get extra content? Tony D, how can they find it and gain access?
It's super easy. There's a couple of ways. If they go to our website, www.letslearncroatian.com, they will see a Buy the LLC a Coffee button at the bottom of each page. They can also find it in our link tree from the LLC Pod Instagram page, and it's also linked in the show notes of each of our YouTube video lessons. Once they get there, they can choose to buy us as many coffees as they want, or they can opt in to become an LLC member.
Odlično, Tony D. Absolutely. For $5 a month, you can become a Kikiriki member. As a member, you'll receive a shout out on the pod thanking you for all to hear. And in the mail, we'll send you a handwritten letter from yours truly, thanking you, supporting all things LLC, an official LLC member magnet, an LLC sticker, and automatic entry into each LLC raffle that we do for as long as you remember. And for $10 a month, you can become a Smokeful member and get everything I just mentioned and so much more. DJ Mo, what kind of content do we have available?
Lots! With the Smokeful membership, you unlock a quiz for almost every lesson we've made. We have over 90 lessons from our podcast, and our goal is to have a quiz for every one of them. There's also all the songs and lyrics, so you too can sing along with us and learn the Hrvatski language in a whole new way. We also have the audio from our dialogues and their written parts, so you can follow along with a few of our native-speaking friends of the pod, as well as the full Priče with Beppo audio and transcripts. And lastly, our version of a Croatian phrase pocket guide to help jumpstart your language journey and have you start communicating sooner.
Puno hvala for taking time to listen to our podcast and watching our YouTube videos. We try to share as much Croatian language, culture, and travel content as we can. We hope you find our non-scholastic, conversational Croatian language approach helpful and are able to support our efforts. Puno hvala I čuvaj se.
3, 4, sad.
Today we're going to learn emotions. So, really quick question. Do you guys get emotional like Whitney Houston, or are you feeling emotions like Mariah Carey?
I would say more like Whitney Houston. The song's funner.
I get so emotional with Whitney Houston.
Mm-hmm.
You got me feeling emotions, Mariah Carey.
No.
Tony D?
Yeah.
Both.
Both, all the time.
All the time, it's true.
I'm more of the emo music.
Oh, we're going to get emotional, baby, right here.
Yeah.
So the word for emotions are emocije.
Emocije.
Bravo, not too far from the English version, right?
Mm-hmm.
Emocije.
Emocije.
Bravo. So one we've already know is the word for happy, right? So happy is sretan,
Sretan.
right? So we know sretan from sretan Božić, sretan rođendan, right?
Sretan Nova Godina.
Sretna Nova Godina,
That's
right?
the next.
Right. Well, that's the female version.
Female
so
version.
sretan is male. So I would say ja sam sretan.
Ja sam sretan.
I am happy. A lady would say ja sam sretna, or we could say she is happy. Ona je sretna, right?
Ona je sretna.
Ona is she, je is she is, ona je sretna.
Ona je sretna.
So happy is sretan is male, sretna female. What's the opposite of happy, Tony D?
Hungry?
That's true.
Oh, yeah.
If you're hungry, you're not happy. That's yeah, for sure. The opposite of happy in most emotions, most balanced people like like some of us is sad.
Oh, okay.
Right. So
But I guess if you're hungry, you might be sad.
Yeah, I'm usually sad when I'm hungry.
right. Sadness leads to some, you're sad because of something. Anyway,
Sadness leads to binge eating.
yes, sad is tužan.
Tužan.
Ja sam tužan.
Ja sam tužan. That's a little Z with the hat.
Yeah, that's the ž in there, right? So ja sam tužan because Croatia lost in the Euros.
Oh.
It was a while ago, but they still lost, and that wasn't fun. So male is tužan, female tužna.
Tužna.
Right. Ja sam tužna.
Ja sam tužna.
Right. That's what the ladies would say. So let's say you're having an excellent time. You're at the Croatia game. Maybe you're at a basketball game. Maybe you're at a super awesome concert. You're excited, right? The word for excited is uzbuđen.
Uzbuđen.
That's another fun one too. We have the D with the line through it. Is that
Yeah.
j sound?
Uzbuđen.
Uzbuđen. Right? And then we have the female version is uzbuđena.
Uzbuđena.
Right. So we can maybe let's go uzbuđen and uzbuđena.
Uzbuđen, uzbuđena.
Bravo. Let's say you showed up to the concert late, and your favorite band played, and they got the cord plug pulled on them. And you're angry because you missed it, right? So the word for angry is ljut,
Ljut.
right? So on je ljut. He is angry.
On
Je ljut.
je ljut.
So we have ljut. That's the LJ sound, the same word as in ljubav. Same pronunciation. Ljubav, ljut.
Lubav, ljut.
Ljubav.
Ljubav,
Bravo. Ljut.
ljut.
So here's a fun way to learn the feminine way of saying it. This is one of the states in the United States, Utah,
Utah.
right? So, but we say ljuta.
Ljuta.
So from now on, when you guys see the state ljuta, it's an angry lady who lives in Utah.
Oh,
All the angry ladies live in Utah.
sorry, Utah.
Ljuta.
Ljuta.
That's my aunt used to say. Oh, Utah. All the women are mad over there. Ljuta.
Mad cool.
Bad cool. We're moving on. We're jealous because someone else won the Euro Cup. We're not going to talk about who did that. We're jealous because we are ljubomoran.
Ljubomoran.
So we got two words in there that we were kind of familiar with. Ljubo is kind of similar to ljubav, right? Moran is similar to umoran, tired, right? So you're kind of either tired of love,
Tired?
love tired, a little bit. Kind of, it's a little weird blend there. Ljubomoran, like you're tired of someone else having love.
Yeah.
You know, when like little kids get jealous of their kids, or puppies get jealous of other puppies big time when they're getting love, right? One dog is getting pet more than the other. Ljubomoran.
Ljubomoran.
Bravo. So a female would get ljubomorna.
Ljubomorna.
Bravo. Moving on, we're going to get anxious. We're going to get nervous. We're going to get agitated. The word for nervous, very English, nervozan.
Nervozan.
We all know this one. I
Yeah,
know.
I'm always nervozan when they come in here.
Yeah. When it's not, when you hit record, nervozan, big
Yeah.
time. The word,
quizzes.
the female version, nervozna.
Nervozna.
Bravo. So this is another one for Tony D. Confused. He's
That one too.
nervous and confused, right? So the word for confused is zbunjen.
Zbunjen.
Zbunjen, right? So it says zabunio is you got puzzled or you got confused. Zbunjen.
Zbunjen.
So we're starting ZBU, zbunjen.
Zbunjen.
Bravo. And then we have the female version is zbunjena.
Zbunjena.
Right, so I left a letter out there, but zbunjena.
Zbunjena.
The word for frightened, right? The word for frightened is uplašen.
Uplašen?
Yeah, uplašen.
Uplašen.
This isn't a word I see too often, or I haven't seen too often. This is something I learned recently. So uplašen is the male word. Uplašen, Tony.
Uplašen?
So uplašen. Remember the u is on the first syllable. U.
Uplašen.
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 Female is uplašena.
Uplašena.
Right. So this is the way you would say it in the nominative case. Ja sam uplašen. I am frightened.
Ja sam uplašen.
I don't want to get on that roller coaster. Ja sam uplašen. I don't want to watch that scary movie. Ja sam uplašen.
Yeah, I don't like scary movies.
Right. So another way to say it is bojí se, but that's in a reflective way of saying that. So we're not going to touch that one. That's for a different episode, right?
Wait, what?
Bojí se. On se bojí. So like he is afraid or he is fearing something, right? So it's a little bit different way the sentence is set up. A little bit more complicated to explain. So
Like
I'm not going
descriptive
to touch
kind?
it. It's called reflexive, right? So yeah, like he's fearing something, so it's causing fear to him. But I already said I didn't want to jump in the lake, but you pushed me in. Let's review our emotions, Tony. You ready?
All right.
The word for emotions, emocije.
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 A happy man is sretan.
Sretan.
A happy žena is sretna.
Sretna.
Bravo. A sad boy is tužan.
Tužan.
A sad girl is tužna.
Tužna.
Bravo. Excited old man is uzbuđen.
Uzbuđen.
An excited old grandma is zbunjena.
Uzbuđena.
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 Bravo. Angry guy is ljut.
Ljut.
Right? Angry čovječe, right? Ljut.
Ljut.
Angry lady, ljuta.
Ljuta.
They all live in that state. Ljuta.
Ljuta.
Jealous guy. Like John Lennon. Ljubomoran.
Wait, what? Ljubomoran?
Ljubomoran.
Ljubomoran.
I'm just a jealous guy. Ljubomoran.
Ljubomoran.
The lady gets ljubomorna.
Ljuborna.
Bravo. A nervous guy. Nervous Tony D. Nervozan.
Nervozan.
Bravo. A nervous lady is nervozna.
Nervozna.
Here we go. Tony D part 2. Confused. Zbunjen.
Zbunjen.
Zbunjen, right? Tony D, the lady they hang out with Tony D's like, what's going on here, Tony D? She's zbunjena.
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 Bravo. You want to make sure that z is in there. Zbunjena.
Zbunjena.
Super. And the last one we learn is frightened. Uplašen.
Uplašen.
Bravo. And uplašena.
Uplašena.
Super, Tony D.
Don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button.